Alright, welcome back to NewZeroland. So, I got a package in the mail and I'm so excited about this that I had to make a video. So, let's see what it is. Alright, I want to start off by saying you meet the coolest people on electric motorcycles. So a few weeks ago, I rode up to my buddy Patrick's place with Jen. I was on the Energica, she was on the Zero, and we charged up there while we hung out and played with cows. I got to try out my Charge Amps Ray cable, which didn't work, but still a pretty cool cable. Patrick is way into electric stuff. He's got a 30 kilowatt hour leaf, solar panels on the roof, all that stuff. We actually met at a grand opening of a charging station a few years back, and he's taught me so much about how all this stuff works. Anyway, both bikes were fully charged, and we figured, hey, this is a great chance to ride around the lake, because usually we only have enough charge to get back home. So we headed over there and got to about here, and the wind was so strong that it just destroyed our range. We got back to Patrick's with 45%, which wasn't enough to get home. So we hit up Tim to see what he was up to, because his house is on the way home, and he was like, yeah, come over, charge up. I met Tim on the electric motorcycle forum, the EMF, back when he was importing his DSR from Australia in 2016. We were the only two Zeros in Wellington at the time, so we'd meet up for rides, and if one of us was going to the US, we'd stock up on parts and bring them back. He recently sold his DSR for a Tesla, but he still has some DigiNow chargers, so Jen was able to charge faster than I was. I hadn't seen Patrick or Tim since before the lockdown, and so it was awesome to catch up and just nerd out about electric stuff. But they're just cool people, and they're people that I wouldn't have met if I didn't get the Zero. And then, just over the weekend, I was riding up north and I ran into a DC station that didn't work. And the next one wasn't close enough for me to get to. And so I was basically stranded. And my only options were call for a trailer, which I've done before and it's sad. Or see if anybody in the area has a Type 2 cable I can borrow to charge up slowly, just enough to get home. So I sent a message to Patrick because he knows everyone. And within 5 minutes, this awesome lady named Sue rode up on her electric bicycle carrying the Type 2 cable from her Hyundai Kona. It's people that would drop everything they're doing to ride their electric bicycle over to you to bring you a cable so you can charge your electric motorcycle just because you share this interest in electric stuff. There are a lot of us EV people now, more than you might think. I mean, I'm sure you see Nissan Leafs and Teslas all over the place, maybe even a Zero every once in a while, and all of us share this connection. People go electric for a lot of reasons. It could be the environmental benefits, or the tech is really cool, or the instant torque. But what sets EV owners apart is that we're all excited about it. You don't go into a dealership and say, I guess I'll get a Tesla. No, it's like you get a Tesla because you're a fan of Tesla. If you buy a Zero or an Energica, you made a deliberate choice to buy this over every other gas bike. It's because you were excited about electrics, and that excitement connects us. And then there's this whole online community of people that, you share this interest of electric motorcycles, and so that you build more connections with people you've never even met. Everybody watching now and leaving comments, I love reading them and replying to them. I try and reply to all of the comments, because you guys are awesome. I've never met most of you in person, but the support I've had, just because I make videos, it means a lot. Which is where I segue to the box. A few weeks ago, I got a message from a guy on Facebook named Aethor Celestino. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, totally sorry. I pronounced everything wrong. Anyway, never met him, never even talked to him before, but he watches my videos and he wanted to help out. So let's see what he sent me. He has a white Energica Ego and he swapped on aftermarket mirrors. So he was like, well, hey, do you want my stock left mirror because you broke yours? So here it is, his stock left mirror, all the way here in New Zealand, and I'm gonna put it on my bike. And this is seriously next level, and I had to make a video about it because, thanks man, you are so awesome. I don't even know what to say, because who am I, right? I'm just a person who likes electric motorcycles, and same as all of you. So this community blows my mind. What blows my mind even more is that he said he went out and bought his Energica Ego right after seeing my video on this one. It's amazing, and I don't even know what's going on. So I'm gonna send him a box full of merch. That's right, I have merch. I got some NewZeroland stickers, NewZeroland t-shirts. If you guys want some, let me know. I originally ordered a bunch of these shirts locally, but then I realized that the shipping from New Zealand to the rest of the world it costs more than the t-shirts. So I set up an online shop on Teespring For anybody in the US or Europe who wants a t-shirt or a hoodie or whatever else they have, the stickers though, I'll be mailing out myself. They come in 2 packs. I'm just having these made locally because I wanted to make sure that the quality was good, so that, you know, they're like bumper stickers. They're made to be outside in the weather and stuff. And I figure it's more personal if I just send them to you directly. All proceeds support my DC fast charging addiction. Anyway, all that info should be down in the description. Alright, let's get this mirror on.
Nice.
Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.